Hey guys, I am Kyle, and in today's video I'm going to show you how much does YouTube TV cost. So let's get started. So here we are in YouTube TV website, and it's tv.youtube.com, and from here we're going to scroll down so that we can see the prices. So as you can see right here, we have the plans right here. So the basic plan is basically $63, Spanish plan is $35, and the NFL Sunday ticket bundled or standalone is $300. So these are the features included. So you have 100 plus live channels right here, and you have unlimited DVR space right here. So this one is for me, it's quite important because I like to record some shows or whatsoever and watch them later on. So yeah, the DVR is basically a feature that would let you record the shows, the channels that is currently going on, and then yeah, you can just watch them later on if you would want to. So yeah, I think DVR is a great feature, and it's both available for the base and Spanish plan right here. And you also have the special features like key place view and so on right here, 6 household, and yeah, basically the same thing. The difference is that this is more of a Spanish, it's only Spanish networks right here. And then another thing is that right here in the NFL, you have your catch every out of market Sunday afternoon game and so on right here. So if you're interested in sports, this is probably the plan for you. And then let's go into the YouTube TV, and then from here let's go into the settings, and we also have some add-ons right here on YouTube TV. So you have the NFL Sunday ticket. You can also buy some add-ons right here, and you can see your plan right here. I'm currently on the base plan. And you have your Sports Plus, Spanish Plus, and so on right here. You have the Cinemax and so on. So you have a lot right here that you can also purchase in addition to your plan. So yeah, this is basically on how much it costs right here on YouTube TV, so that you would have a general idea on how much it would cost you to get what you need right here on YouTube TV. Thank you for watching.